Tree surgeon Farleigh. Are you looking for affordable commercial or domestic tree services? Our local tree surgeons can offer tree surgery programs and one-off tree removal services. They offer a wide range of quality tree services including tree pruning, hedge trimming, tree removals, woodland management, tree management, stump removal and grinding, hedge laying, site vegetation clearance, tree felling and dismantling. From your average garden bush to a whole woodland area, there is nothing they cannot apply their skills to. For more information on the range of tree services they can provide, contact us today on 07480802683.